Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to create stunning, abstract backgrounds for your calligraphy or artwork? In this video, I'm going to share my simple process for making these vibrant, textured backgrounds using just acrylic and calligraphy markers in my sketchbook. It's a fantastic way to loosen up, experiment with color, and add an exciting element to your work. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, you'll find some useful tips and inspiration here. I bought this book with botanical illustrations from Old Book Bazaar in Istanbul. It makes vintage, hand-drawn, and authentic feel to my art. This book is 100 years old. I love to make calligraphic art on various surfaces to see what I can come up with. I encourage you to be creative and bold in your experiments in art. Work creatively to find your own unique style in art. I'm using a mix of acrylic markers for the bold color blocks and Zig Calligraphy markers for those interesting, fine calligraphy strokes. The key here is layering and playing with the different qualities of each marker. Starting with this bright coral shade and creating a free-flowing, amoeba-like shape. There's no need to be precise here. Embrace the organic feel. Think about creating a composition with interesting visual weight. You can even loosely sketch your design with a pencil if you like. Next, I'm adding this teal color. Notice how I'm overlapping the shapes, creating new colors where they intersect. This layering is where the magic happens. It adds depth and complexity to the background. Keep building up those layers. I'm switching between colors, sometimes using the side of the marker tip for broader strokes, and other times using the tip for finer lines. Don't be afraid to leave some white space, it can add a nice contrast. These acrylic markers are great to work with. They are layering and blending beautifully with each other. Keep layering those details until you're happy with the overall look. Don't overwork it, though. Now for the details. These calligraphy markers are perfect for adding delicate lines and textures. I'm using a dark brown here, but you can use any color that complements your palette. Now for the details. These calligraphy markers are perfect for adding delicate lines and textures. I'm using a dark brown here, but you can use any color that complements your palette. I'm adding little dots, dashes, and short lines. Think about creating visual pathways for the eye to follow. You can even add some faux calligraphy or delicate floral elements if you're feeling inspired. Work with analogous colors of your choice in this style of composition. I am working to create layers and abstract forms for visual interest. And here it is, a vibrant, abstract background ready for some calligraphy or other artwork. This technique is so versatile, you can use it for all sorts of projects. Imagine this with a beautiful Arabic calligraphy piece on top, or even as a background for a greeting card. The possibilities are endless, so grab your markers and give it a try. Don't forget to share your creations with me, I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe not to miss my next sketchbook ideas.